Yeah, good evening, good morning from wherever you are. This is my weekly forecast for this week, and today is actually Monday, 13th November 2023, and I want to start breaking down these pairs. So on Gbpjpy, I want to show you how I came up with this. So whichever strategy you trade, whether ICT, whether smart money concepts, all strategies work. You don't have to hop from strategy to strategy. Stick to whatever you know. Trade that, so long as you don't break the rules. So most of the times when I'm making my analysis, I want to start from the weekly time frame, so that I know the overall picture, where price was coming from and where it's going. So I mostly focus on the most recent breaks. So you all know these swing guys. So once a swing guy gets broken and price retraces, coming back within this range, I hope it to shoot up again. So my focus shall be on buys, and this same thing is what I saw on this pair, on this Gbpjpy. Price had broken this previous swing high, so I understood that price was going up, and whatever I was looking for, they had to be buys. And even if I take a look at this candle wick, it took liquidity from this previous swing low. So I'm so much focused on to buys until this swing high gets taken out. Remember, in the usual market conditions, the market has to shoot up, retrace, shoot up, retrace, and again shoot up. So at this pair, remember, once you get the bias for only one weekly candle, you can know the direction of the whole week. So I know on this pair I'm bullish. So after seeing that, I can drop to the daily time frame, and on the daily I shall be just marking out the swing points, and as you see, I can notice here price is still going up. So even on the daily, I have price going up, and this candle wick took out all of this liquidity from these previous swing lows. So this proves to me that I'm still bullish. So in whichever thing I do, I shouldn't go against that trend. And the 4-hour portrays the bigger picture. The 4-hour time frame came breaking up structure to the upside. It broke here and again broke here. So there is no way I could be looking for sales. Remember, in all of the cases, I focus at these most recent breaks. So when I come here, someone who trades smart money concepts, you can see that this was a nice and clear order block. So price came back and tapped into it, and price started rejecting. So what should I be hoping for? definitely sure buys. So there's no way I can be looking out for sales here. I shall be focused at buys until this high gets taken out. So I can drop to the 1 hour and I see what do I have there. I minimize this order block a bit. So this was the POI that I could have caught these buys from. And as you are seeing them from my former chart, I could hold my buys until this high gets taken out. So this alone can prove to me that as far as this week is concerned, I shall be so much focused onto the buys. Sales shall be scalps, but I shall be so focused on buys. So I can see here, this high took liquidity from this previous swing high. So a lot of smart money traders shall be looking at this supply zone, some calling it an order block, looking for sales. And for real, me, I'll just look at it as liquidity, and we shall have to liquidate them. So as they are looking out for sales at this point of interest, because it has an imbalance, it broke the previous swing high and price dropped, me, I won't be looking out for sales at it. I shall be more focused on holding my buys. So as we can see, this order block here down was so high probability because it had inducements as price was approaching it. So that was a high probability point of interest. And in case I had my buys from that point, I could actually hold them definitely until we break outside of this range. And if the account is enough, I can even hold them until that high gets taken out. So this is all I'm looking out on Gbpjpy. So there is no reason of me looking out for sales. As far as I've seen this, I can have my stop loss here down and I swing my trade all the way up. So right now we are in the Asian session and the market has just opened up. So you can see this drop. They can manipulate more traders on that move, and some can also get tricked into thinking that we are bearish for some days, and then eventually they shall have to take them out. So this order block could be reduced more to have a tighter stop loss. So this could be our risk to reward. This is what I'm looking out at on Gbpjpy. That's my weekly view on Gbpjpy. Peace out.